Welcome to the GenSmart 2.0 online ordering platform tutorial video. GenSmart 2.0 is your one-stop solution for molecular biology services. It offers a seamless online ordering experience for gene synthesis, subcloning, plasmid preparation, and more. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to order gene synthesis using this system. Let's get started. First, click the Quick Order button at the top of the homepage. Find the Molecular Biology section and click on Gene Synthesis to enter the online ordering system. GenSmart 2.0 streamlines online ordering into 4 steps. Step 1. Sequence input. You can manually enter your nucleotide or amino acid sequences into the sequence table, or download the template below for batch entry. We accept multiple file formats, including Excel, CSV, and FASTA. Simply drag and drop your file to upload sequences. Once completed, click Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 2. Cloning setup and codon optimization. On this page, you can adjust cloning parameters such as vector selection, cloning site settings, and sequence optimization. GenSmart 2.0 analyzes sequence complexity based on your choices and automatically checks for errors in the sequences. First, vector selection. GenScript offers over 200 vectors to choose from. Click here to select cloning vectors, expression vectors, vectors from previous orders, or upload your own vectors. You can also select multiple sequences for batch vector settings here. Second, cloning method settings. You can choose between restriction cloning and seamless cloning. For restriction cloning, select or input the corresponding restriction enzymes for the 5' and 3' ends. These enzyme sequences will automatically be appended to the synthesized sequence. For seamless cloning, please ensure homologous arm sequences are added to both ends of the insert fragment. You can add arms for a single gene via the pop-up window, or apply batch settings for multiple sequences. If no insertion site preference is specified, you can select the default recommended sites in the vector column. Third, sequence optimization. If there are issues with the sequence, click to access the editing area. Use ATGC to add or delete bases as needed. GenSmart 2.0 also includes a built-in Codon optimization tool. You can optimize single gene sequences by selecting regions and expression hosts, or perform batch optimization for multiple sequences in the batch operation area. GenScript offers multiple gene synthesis speed options to suit your needs. For flash gene synthesis, if your insert and vector qualify, the platform defaults to flash synthesis, providing the best price and fastest turnaround. For complex sequences or non-compliant vectors, please choose from 3 additional synthesis speed options and review their timelines. Once all settings are correct, click Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Plasmid settings and Codon services. On this page, you can customize plasmid delivery standards and choose additional services. The default delivery quantity for GenScript gene synthesis is for micrograms. If you require more or higher quality plasmids, you can adjust parameters such as quantity, supercoil percent, and endotoxin level. If you have specific delivery requirements for plasmids, you can choose the appropriate delivery format in the module below. Please note that plasmids containing poly-A sequences are subject to special quality control standards, including checks for supercoil percentage and endotoxin level. GenSmart 2.0 can identify poly-A or ITR structures in your sequence. If detected, you can choose the poly-A or ITR guarantee services to ensure the integrity and accuracy of your plasmids, ensuring reliable results for your downstream experiments. Additionally, GenSmart 2.0 provides a variety of quality control and supplementary services, including whole plasmid sequencing, glycerol stock, animal-free production, sterile filtration, and more. Please be aware that these services may involve extra costs and production time. You can flexibly customize your plasmid according to your specific needs. Once all settings are done, simply click Continue to proceed to the order page. Step 4. Order or request a quote. On the order page, you can manage your shipping address, billing address, and shipping preference here. You can also select a contract code or apply a coupon on the right side of the page, and review your order total and delivery timeline. Once confirmed, you can click Order Now to place your order, or Get Quote to request more detailed information about your order. Please note that prices for certain complex sequences may display as TBD. In such cases, simply click Get Quote, and our technical support team will reach out to you promptly. Congratulations on successfully placing your order. The next steps will be handled by GenScript. Thank you for watching this video. For any questions or further information, please contact us at gene@genscript.com.